Rob Frazier here. This video, I want to talk about the Cash Juice plan, and this is what I am telling folks to do as far as a simple, easy, duplicatable way of getting traffic to your affiliate businesses. So, Cash Juice plan, it's a total of 5 programs: Cash Juice, Traffic Ad Bar are the first 2. This right here is the actual referral link that you will use. And the last 3 programs are Traffic Swarm, Easy Hits, and Traffic Splash. This is a traffic exchange centered strategy. Cash Juice in itself is a social media platform, a place you could get clicks, a place you could post links to your businesses, a place you can network with other people, other marketers, things like that. So the whole point is to create a social media account-ish there. You promote your Cash Juice plan, and whenever people join, they automatically follow you, and then they can check out your profile and check out the links to your other businesses. So the whole point is you're advertising this, getting people in the door with the freebie system, and then establishing contact with them, building a relationship, and eventually joining each other's businesses and things like that. So when you create your free account, again, free account, it'll show you how to get 500 clicks per day to whatever it is you're promoting. In this video, I'm going to send all of that traffic, and I'm going to just tell you just to promote the Cash Juice plan. You can promote anything you want. It's just the strategy is what it is. So this can be your Cash Juice plan. It can be your affiliate marketing sales funnels. It can be your network marketing business, your crypto trading, whatever. Doesn't matter. The whole point is they have a plan to help you get 500 clicks per day to whatever that is you want to promote. In this case, the Cash Juice plan. So when you create your account, you go down here, you click on the plan, you'll come down here, you'll learn about it. You'll come down here, you create accounts, you can go through all of the information. It has the setup, it has the intro, and again, the whole point is to teach you how to get 500 clicks per day to anything you want. What I do is, instead of actually surfing all of the traffic exchanges, because I don't have time to surf, now you can join all of these things for free and go do it that way. Like if you have time, you can set up your day. In the morning, surf some ads on Traffic Swarm. In the afternoon, surf some Easy Hits for You ads. In the evening, surf some Traffic Splash ads. I particularly don't have that much time to be doing all of that. So what I do is I just treat these sources as paid traffic. And I limit the amount of traffic that I buy. The whole plan is the goal of the plan is to get 500 hits per day to your website. So using this website or anything else you want to promote, I keep that in mind. What I particularly do is 500 clicks per day. Okay, I got it. Most of these traffic exchanges, instead of surfing, you can actually buy clicks. And you can also buy clicks on a weekly basis. So for example, Easy Hits for You, they have a place you could buy 5,000 clicks a week, 1,000 clicks a week, and set it up on autopilot. Also, for the folks out there who hate on traffic exchanges and say the traffic sucks, the lead to click ratio is 1,000 to 2,000. 1 to 2,000 clicks will get you a solid lead. And these are real, solid people opting into your stuff. And I found that true to be my own numbers. Traffic exchanges, 1 to 2,000 clicks, 1 lead. Venturing off, Safe List, 200 to 300 actual clicks, actual opens of my emails, 1 to 2 leads. Solo ads, 20 to 40%, depending. There's ratios for every type of traffic that you use, and 1,000 to 2,000 clicks per 1 lead isn't that bad because those clicks aren't that expensive. So that being said, the whole goal is to get 500 clicks per day to my website 7 days a week, or 3,500 clicks per week. So what I do is I just take that 3,500 goal and divide it amongst these 3 sites. And so the whole goal is to have a combined amount of 3,500 clicks per week. All right, I had to pause the video. Forgot exactly where I left off, but what I do, 3,500 clicks per week is the goal. And so I take that total and I divide it amongst these 3 sites. So Easy Hits, you can buy 2,500 credits for $13.95. Credits or clicks, same deal. Traffic Swarm, you can buy 4,000 credits for $40. Traffic Splash, you can buy 3,000 credits for $14. So they have varying amounts, but what I like to do is just try to keep it balanced as best I can. And that's also my cap. That's my limit. So if I'm using traffic exchanges and I have one site, I make sure that one site is getting 3,500 clicks per week from these 3 places. And I try to ensure that I'm getting traffic from all 3. So it's easy to just go to Easy Hits for You and buy a 5,000 click package for $27.95, right? But I like to make sure it's balanced, that I'm getting some clicks from Traffic Swarm, I'm getting some clicks from Easy Hits, that I'm getting some clicks from Traffic Splash, and they total roughly 3,500 clicks per week per my one website. Now, I have other things that I promote. I have a total of 5 things that I like to promote on traffic exchanges. My suggestion, if you have one site, you just promote that one thing until you get 500 clicks per week to that one site, or 500 clicks per day to that one site. Then if you have 2 sites, you want to ensure each of those sites is still getting 500 clicks per day, 7 days a week. So if you have 2 sites, instead of 500 clicks per day, you want 1,000 clicks per day, 500 for each site. And so if you have 3 sites, instead of 1,000, you'll need 1,500. So you have 3 sites, 500 clicks each site. So 3 times 500, 1,500. So using this same method and strategy, my max is 5 sites. So for Traffic Swarm, I have 5 sites. For Easy Hits for You, I have 5 sites. 5 sites. When I say sites, that's just different things I'm promoting. The Cash Juice plan being one of them. So 5 sites, Traffic Swarm, 5 swipes, Easy Hits, 5 swipes, Traffic Splash. Oh man, it's a rough video. So those 5 sites, I make sure each of those 5 sites is getting 500 clicks per day through these 3 traffic exchanges. And that's not 500 clicks per day from just one traffic exchange, if that makes sense. So one site, I'll probably get 150 clicks per day from Traffic Swarm, 150 clicks per day from Easy Hits. So 150, that's 300. And then 200 clicks per day from Traffic Splash. It varies, it fluctuates. But at the end of the week, every single site I have listed on these traffic exchanges, 500 clicks per day, 7 days a week. In essence, following this Cash Juice plan. Again, it's laid out here. You click on the plan, you create a free account, Cash Juice, Traffic Ad Bar, Easy Hits, Traffic Swarm, Traffic Splash. You can create free accounts there. You can either surf the ads in the morning, surf the ads in the afternoon, surf them in the morning and in the evening. But you really want to get to a place to where you're just paying for those credits and not actually spending time here surfing on them. And that's what I do. 5 sites, on each of these 3 places, and also traffic ad bar as well, because that is another traffic exchange, kind of. The guy who created Cash Juice also created Traffic Ad Bar, and they work perfectly in hand. So just something to throw out there. So hopefully this video makes sense. I just basically follow this Cash Juice plan. Instead of surfing my ads, I buy clicks, and I don't buy any more than 500 clicks per day per site, 7 days a week, and then a max of 5 sites. Anything over that is just overkill, and it's just pointless. You're just gonna kind of hit a glass ceiling with your traffic. So that being said, hopefully you got some value. Let me know. Create your free account with this link underneath the video. Look me up on Cash Juice. Follow me. You see my profile here. Send me a message, and I will work with you and help you use this program to promote your businesses. Name's Rob Frazier. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.